Hey everyone, so I'm going to be teaching you how to use the new Mercury Keyframe effect. So what you're going to do is import a layer. I'm just going to choose an image, go to Keyframe and add Mercury. So what it does is it makes it look like this really cool bubble, but it has a really good quality in it. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it and what all the effects do. So first we have birth position. That basically puts it where you want in your scene. So I'm just going to put it around here just to show you what all the effects do. So we have direction. That basically changes the direction you want it to be in. We have velocity, which ultimately just changes the speed. Then we have birth rate, which increases the amount. Longevity, which kind of connects them in a way. So instead of having them all separate, kind of merges them, as you can see, to one larger piece. Bird size increases it fully, so instead of just having the merged blobs, actually makes it one bigger thing. And depth size basically distorts it. So that's how you use the Mercury keyframe effect. It is really cool. It can be used in many edits to create different types of effects or ideas, but I think it's really cool and it adds a cool touch to your edits. So I hope that was helpful and can't wait to see all your edits with this new effect. Thanks.